If you're looking for a stupid, simple, easy strategy in the market that you would be able to see play out every single day and has like a 85% win rate, guys, this strategy is like you're gonna like you don't even have to break your head over it. It's so easy. There are so few little steps, and you can at least see it at least minimum one time a day in the market. So if you are looking for a strategy or something else just to add on to what else you're trying to look for in the market during New York Open, this is a perfect indication. So first of all, before we get into the live example, right over here, first thing you always want to do is go on the hourly time frame. So right here, we would have a sell side liquidity that got taken. And on top of it, try to always look left. So also that we have the sell side liquidity, make sure we're inside of a 1 hour fair value gap. So sell side liquidity on the 1 hour, fair value gap on the 1 hour. And it's not needed, but if you are able to have it, an SMT at the lows would also be very nice. Now you go down to the 1 minute right away from the 1 hour straight to the 1 minute. Right here, you have your manipulation leg. So mark that out. And over here, you have a market structure shift. Mark that out as well. Second, we have that market structure shift and we have a little inversion for value gap in this area. Honestly, this is a perfect entry model and you can target the relative highs or target buy side liquidity, or you can even target any form of a fair value gap on the higher time frames. So guys, I literally in like what 3 minutes, I just explained to you the whole steps, all the steps you have to look for. Like it's extremely easy. So I'm going to show you a live example right now with exactly what I just went over. So of course, we want to look for now a sell side and a higher time frame for value gap on the 1 hour time frame. That's what we have right over here. We have a sell side liquidity that got placed, which means we're sweeping out these lows. And on top of it, we're inside of a 1 hour fair value gap. So now right away, drop down to the 1 minute. Let's see. So right now we're on this 1 minute time frame. Let's just play back time a bit more so I can give a better example. So right over here, let's go a bit forward. Let's see. Right over here, what do? We actually ended up taking out this as a manipulation leg. You may ask, why aren't we marking this as a sell side? Well, as manipulation leg is pretty much when we are making a consistent downtrend. Right here, we have a beautiful downtrend channel, and we're actually manipulating people into thinking we want to go lower, when in reality, this is actually going to be our little reversal pivotal point, and we're going to start pushing for new all-time highs. So manipulation right down here. And what do? We have our strong push upwards. Now you may ask, why wouldn't you put your manipulation right over here and your market structure shift over here? Because you always say you should always look for the first green push, in this case, red push, to make that new low. Well, yes, you're absolutely right. But since we do have this kind of odd-ish candle, I just don't even mark it. And I want to mark this still as my market structure shift right at the highs. So I want to see that this get taken out. On top of it, let's go to the 2 minute time frame. Do we have anything? On the 2 minute, it's much more clear. So we go on that time frame. This is our inversion for value gap. And we have that manipulation, market structure shift at the top, inversion for value gap. Second, we can get a body close, which we do right there. We're going to enter for our position size. Take our entry for our longs. Stop loss is going to go right below these lows. We're going to take a standard deviation from these highs. And we can target either a -1, as I said. We can target a higher time frame for value gap. Or we can target the new buy side liquidity, which would be right at these -2s. This case, we'll just target a -1 because this is the first fair value gap that we see that is presented. So as we just pass this market structure shift, we're going to continue holding, and right at that -1, it's honestly as simple as that. Now, of course, we're going to go right to that -2, and that's going to be our 2RR trade. And are we going to take out this overall buy liquidity, which we end up doing as well. So guys, honestly, it is as simple as that. Look for a higher time frame, more like the 1 to 4 hour time frame for a sell side and a fair value gap. Come down to the 1, 2, 3 minute time frame, whichever one has the most clean price action. In this case, this would be the 2 minute time frame. We have this inversion fair value gap, manipulation leg, market structure shift, enter at that inversion, target a -1 to -2, or target fair value gaps, the buy side liquidity in this case. Guys, what can I tell you more? It's so easy. So please go do me a favor, backtest this. Also, if you're interested in joining a free Discord, I'm not asking for any money, just a place to chill and talk. And so yeah, if you did like this video, leave a like, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you do need some help me implementing this strategy and helping you understand it, I do have a mentorship. I currently do have a discount going on. So if you are interested in checking that out, it's in the description, which is everything else in the description. So I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. Peace.